We'll guide you through how to attach a photo to an email on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and send something to a colleague or a friend, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go attach it to an email and then go and send it. You could even go and send it to yourself if you want to just go and have it on another device. So to get started on the Android, we need to go and open up the Mail app. So that's going to be Gmail. Don't worry if it's not a Google or Gmail account, you can use other emails in there as well. Swipe up and we can go and find Gmail by swiping across, or for me, it's actually in the Google folder. Alternatively, you can press search at the top. Then what you can do is go and type in Gmail, and then we can go and open it up like so. Just tap on it, and here we go. Now, what you can do is you can go to the top right here and you can go and tap on your profile icon and you can go and expand switch account and switch if needed, or add it if you haven't already. And you can go and choose the email provider here and go and add it. So make sure you've got the correct email selected. I do. And then what we can do is we can head down to the bottom right and you want to go and find the option for compose and you can go and tap there. Now, what you need to do is choose who you're sending it to. So I've got some suggestions here, but otherwise you can just go and type in their email here and you can go and select them. Add in a subject, then you can go and type in the main text. You can go type in, "Hi there, check this out," and you can go and type in what you want to. Now, what we can then do is we can go and attach it. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to go and press on the paperclip in the top right and you can press photos. And then you can go and browse through here. This is recent, but I could choose different apps for one or two at the top. And I can go and choose one. So I could select this here. Then I can go and press add. And it will then go and add it in, as you can see. And so then what we can do here is we can go and press the send when we're ready in the top right. And the email will then go and be sent. It's that simple. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.